Jee2025, if 24 of the integration from 0 to pi by 4 function to be integrated is sine of mod of 4x minus pi upon 12 plus greatest linear function of 2 sin x dx equal to 2 pi plus alpha, where the symbol denotes the greatest integral function, then alpha is equal to question mark. So for the solution I have just written the whole expression once again. First of all, we will consider this one, that is mod of 4x minus 5.12. Since it is a modulus function, it will be greater or equal to 0. Now, if 4x minus pi by 12 is greater than or equal to 0, in that case, 4x will be greater or equal to pi by 4, or x will be greater or equal to pi by 18. Then mod value will be, there no change, okay, as it is 4x minus pi by 12. And if 4x minus pi by 12 is less than 0, in that case 4x will be less than pi by 12, x will be less than pi by 14, and mod value will be minus of 4x minus pi by 12. That we know by definition of modulus function. Therefore, we will first solve this part. So 0 to pi by 4 sine of mod of 4x minus pi by 12 dx. We know the basic formula, sine of minus x is sine of minus sine x, cos of minus x is plus cos x, sin x integration is minus cos x plus c. If it is definite, then put the limit minus 1 minus cos x. Okay. We also know cos of minus pi by theta, cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So we will apply all this over here. So integration from 0 to pi by 4 sine of 4x minus pi by 12 under mod. Okay. So we will just divide in parts so that our modulus value will be applied where it is positive, where it is negative. So from 0 to 48, you know, less than 48 up to its value will be minus. So its value will be sine of minus 4x minus pi by 12 within bracket into dx, and from pi by 48 to pi by 4 its value will be positive, so there is no change. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, so we will apply here. Okay, and here we are just doing the integration part. So minus 1 by 4 for this minus 1 by 4 sine x integration is cos of this, put the limits. Same way this part also will be solved. So sin x integration is minus cos x and minus minus plus, so here it is plus. For this 1 by 4 limit 0 to pi upon 48. Now we will solve the limit case. 1 by 4 will be there, pi by 48 if you put it here, so it will give you pi by 12 minus pi by 12 cos 0. If you x 0, so 0 minus pi by cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, so minus will be there. Here your pi by 4 means this will give you pi minus pi by 12 minus pi minus pi by 12 means this pi minus theta minus cos theta, so minus cos pi by 12. Again this minus and minus will give you plus 1 by 4 and 4 into this pi by 48, so pi by 12 minus pi by 12, so this is 1 by 4 cos 0. So when we solve this, we will get this 1 by 4 cos 0 minus 1 by 4 cos pi by 12. This will give you 1 by 4 cos pi by 12 plus 1 by 4 cos 0. So these two will get cancelled. This way cos 0 is 1, 1, so 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Now we will solve the second part. Integration 0 to pi by 4 greatest linear function of 2 sin x. Greatest linear function breaks at integer values, and here sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, okay, that is 0.5, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, that is 0.7. So what will its value in different intervals of the angles? Mod greatest linear value of 2 sin 0 means 2 into 0, 2 into 0 means 0, so 0. Greatest linear value of 2 into sin pi by 6 means is 2 into 0.5, that is 1.0, that is 1. Greatest integer value of 2 into sine pi by 4 means 2 into 0.7, that is 1.4. So again its value will be 1. So we will consider that from 0 to pi by 6 we have two intervals. 0 to pi by 4 we have two intervals, 0 to pi by 6 and pi by 6 to pi by 4. From 0 to pi by 6, 2 sin x value will be 0, and from pi by 6 to pi by 4 its value will be 1. So 0 into dx and 1 into dx. Now its integration will be 0. Here it is x, limit is pi by 6 and pi by 4, so pi by 4 minus pi by 6 will give you pi by 12. But we have to find out the value of 24 into this 4. So 24, before we have got 1 by 2, now we have got pi by 12, so 12 plus 2 pi. And this was given in your question that it is equal to 2 pi plus alpha, so alpha is 12. Thank you.